I love it. Oh, he's got it. That is superb delivery. Another one? Yeah, another one. Brilliant stuff. Loving this entertainment from these players.
If Abrar can do it, 1 for 8 was Abrar's figures. I can do it even better. Sri Lanka clawing themselves back in. How did Saim Ayub miss this? Plays for the leg break. It just goes on with the angle. And he even looks at the dugout. Do you see me? A catch and a brilliant wrong un. He's got 2. He's coming for you. Saim Ayub for 2, 50 for 3.
Chopped away for 4.